So Casetify sent me some iPhone cases to review. As you guys can see, the entire app is saying Casetify. It's all over the place. I actually want to take my time with this because I want to keep this. Wow, look at the presentation on this. Look at this. They got the little tie. Oh man, you guys shouldn't have, man. You just don't even want to take apart the bow. They probably take so much time. Alright, so the bow aside, let's see what's inside the box. No, thank you. Oh, they sent me a camel one too? Oh, you guys are dope. Okay. Before we even look at the cases, what are these? These are just boxes. So far, this is probably the best presentation ever on my channel. But in these cases just look gorgeous. I mean, the camel one. Look at this camel one, guys. This is a fake iPhone inside. You can pop it out. And I'm going to take away this case. This is the Caseology case. I had this case since 2017. The camel definitely shines. It matches really well. So if you're going to get the camel one and you have a silver iPhone 10 or 10s, the silver one is going to match it really well. Let's see how it looks with the space gray. Nice and stealthy. And let's take a look at this one. As you guys can see, you can't really see the color of your iPhone. You can a little bit through this pattern here, as you guys can see. It kind of just looks not really minimalistic, but I like this mosaic pattern. It's not really mosaic. It just looks nice. I love the pattern. I love the repetition. It's loud, but it's simple. And of course, we got the clear case. So if you want to showcase the color of your phone, I heard the iPhone 11 is going to have a product red, so if you get that, it's going to look nice. And you're protecting your phone. Oh, and I forgot to test out the space gray iPhone with this one, but still looks clean. And last but not least, I saved the best case for last. You gotta take like an iPhone, another device, and you can see what this case is really about. So now to enter in, you just gotta take your iPhone, you just open up the camera application, you scan it with the QR code, it automatically come up on the top there, as you guys can see. You launch it up on the App Store, and then you just tap on Get. We're gonna tap on Open. It's gonna take the camera, and we're gonna take this case, and look at that, guys. Right away, no setting up, nothing like that. You can see what the case is about. This is the coolest case ever. Cool, look, I can touch it, I can interact with it. And keep in mind, guys, reality, the phone is like that, but through the camera, this is so cool. The die, so you could share it on your Instagram story. So taking a closer look at the case, as you guys can see, the side button is covered, so there's no cutout there. I actually like that because if the button is exposed, you might get some scratches on the button. It protects the volume up and down buttons. The only thing that's exposed is the mute switch. You got cutouts for your speaker grill, and you have cutout for your lightning. Of course, you got a cutout for your camera. On the top, nothing at all. And it's very, very protective. I gotta tell you guys, this is a military standard case. So it's going to protect your phone from drops and cracks. It has lip protection, so as you guys can see, that little bit of lip is going to protect your screen from cracking. I have a screen protector too, so I have the full protection on my iPhone without compromising the size of the phone. So it's not going to be as bulky. It's not going to be like a brick. It's easy to press the buttons. It's not tough at all. And by the way, guys, this is the Impact series. So this is the world's slimmest military grade iPhone case. This is only measuring just 2 millimeters thin, which is just insane, providing a drop protection of 6.6 feet. The only thing is it covers the Apple logo, but come on, once you see these cameras here, you know it's an iPhone 10. I just love this camera one so much. It does support wireless charging. I'm going to test out every case. Okay, we got the pattern case here. Charging right up. Okay, this is the all clear case. Showcase the color of your phone. As you guys can see, charging right up. So wireless charge works on the Impact cases. This case works well with docks. I just gotta find a hole, and it works just fine. I have a screen protector, so it makes the phone screen a little bit bulge out a little bit, but it's still, as you guys can see, the case is higher than the actual screen. So this phone right here doesn't have a screen protector. As you guys can see, the case is more. It's definitely a lip. You have a nice little style to it, and at the same time you have that protection too, most importantly. And also, one thing I like about Casetify, you have a bunch of designs to choose from. You can customize your design, you can make signature prints. Possibilities are endless with the designs. And guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, this video is not sponsored, but they did made a code for me. So if you get 15% off if you use code 15 SimplyPops. And of course, I'll throw a link in the description too. So if you guys can browse around and see what case you like, you can do so. Alright guys, until next time, have a simple day.